I'm Amal Babu. Today I'm going to present my application that I have been working for last 2-3 months. Um, it's a simple application that uses different measures and formulas to manage different health analytics and help people to analyze how much workout they have done and how much calories and consumed. It's basically a fitness application that help people to track their exercise, uh, understand their calorie they consumed in each meals, and also understand their health necessities like the blood pressure, heart rate, and their sleep hours. And also visualize it in a form they can understand it, like how many variation has been happened in like throughout the cycle. Technically, the React manages the front end, and Django handles the API, and SQL Server is used as the database for storing the data. Just jump on to the demo version, and I will be explaining each features while going through that. Then it will be better. Here I'm using a virtual environment to run to wrap all the project file, and also I'm using a modular approach for each for each um, use cases. Let's run the front end. Similarly, I'm starting my Django server. You can see the backend is also app. So let's go to the web browser to see. This is the landing page. So I am planning to set up other features like the frequent answer questions and e-commerce, which I just want to work on later, and also some payment features. Also, I'm planning to give different subscription level for the users so that they can give, I can earn money through this platform. So let's start with the sign up form. This is the basic sign up form. Here you can enter the details and it will be short. In the meantime, I will be opening my SSMS. Here you can see the number only. I had some added some validation like this all with the star. It's a like mandatory field. We can proceed with it, and the phone number is always like 10 digit. You can see there are some goals which is a list which is fetched from my database. Uh, so I can add more goals in the future. So let's say the draws subscription plan. Right now I am using like only the one level of users, but in future I will be changing it. If I click sign up, you can see the email is not confirmed, so just I'm entering some email and just clicking on sign up. Payment method is like credit card. um, Here also I have added some validation. You can see the email already exists. Let's give it. Let's go with another thing. So you can see the payment has been successful. Now I need to log in with that user. Yeah, you can see here I'm able to log in, and this is the settings. This is the add analytic. Like you can add a task based on like the goal is weight loss. So you can select the analytic type and the exercise like based on your it's for the weight loss. This much exercise are available right now, which is also based on the category weight loss. If the user's goal is another, and also repeating for how many times. So let's take a daily task and exercise mountain climber. Just 1 day now. If you change save the challenge, so the task has been added. Now you can see the task like a daily task mark is as completed. Uh, So you can see like one task has been completed. Achievement summary is also like it's completed. So if I add like let's say another daily task, uh, jumping jack and repetition is like 12, and say challenge. The challenge has been saved. You can see I just mark it as completed. So here you can see the difference between the task completion summary and the achievement summary. Here the achievement summary is based on the entire repetition or the cycle. The user has to complete like all the 12 days challenge to make sure that the achievement summary is completed. Now it's in progress, and for the task that has only like one repetition, it's already completed. Similarly, I can show like a weekly task. Let's say exercise generally repetition like let's say one, it's the same, so it has also been saved. So if you like change it and change it to weekly task, you can see one task like it's uncompleted because let's say I skip the challenge and check. Skipped, you can see it shows I skipped one challenge. So let's say achievement summary, but it shows completed because the task is completed, but it is skipped, but achievement is completed. So in the next thing, in this navigation is the healthy daily checkup. I have like other like here you can see the calorie burned like for the jumping tag, using the jumping tag, and the other thing the calorie burned is like I added up based on the calorie based on the repetition and all the steps. So if I add one more daily task like exercise, you can save task. So it's saved and you just mark it as completed. Then you just rush. You can see like how the 390 calorie has been. So that's it about the calories and the exercise. So there are different they can have a daily task, monthly task, or weekly task based on their preference, and also understand the calories burnt. So so here you can see no data is there because it is skipped. So next, moving on to the next one is the daily health check. Similar like this health, there is another graph to show the health data and sleeping hours and the calorie consumed by the user. So the next navigation will like let's say enter like this much hours it mood swing, like the mood they have, like based on 1 if it's very low and 10 if it's good, and stress also, like I'm just giving an average between that, and all other things like the VP, head rate, weight, and all the stuffs. So I'm just checking in the data. Here you can see like today one head rate that has been recorded in here, and the symbolic systolic BP, like here also you can see it's 88 based on the rules. It's 100, I guess. Yeah. So that's it about the daily head checkup, and also the sleeping hours, like how many hours. It's 8 hours sleep, so that's good. Just move on to the food meal calorie calculation. Here now it's 8 a.m. here, so it's a breakfast time, so it will add. Similarly, if it is the noon time, it will change to afternoon calorie check, or similarly the dinner calorie check, and so on. So I'm just entering, like there are some list of like categories. I can add. Let's say I had some grains like oats meal, and size like a regular one, medium one. How many quantities? Like I just had like uh, one, and I'm adding another, like let's say dairy milk, size like a small one, quantity is like one. So I'm saving it. So based on the size, quantity, and the food product, and it will calculate the calorie I have consumed in the for my breakfast. So here you can see I had 3075 calories. This data comes from like hmm, what it's based on the calorie for each product added in my database. It will fetch the calorie consumed based on the quantity and everything. Apart from that, I have the settings tab, which help like edit your personal information if they want to change their name or something. Uh, it will change, let's say Sheba to, let's say a different name, start with a, you can understand it in the profile showing tab that so that's okay. So when you refresh, you can see it's changed to like so uh, there is also a password changing option, like you have to enter the old password and change the new password, mm, and also like call preferences, like it's a weight loss, she can change it into build muscles, let's say. And if you like check the analytics, like you can see now the thing is like build message just to it, like the task exercise like changed to the pull up for 1 day. So just Marlin has completed. We can see 4 completed tasks here. 3. One is like we didn't, like it's a 12 repetition task, 12 days repetition task. So now there is a going to change the plan to premium. That now I am not dividing the user to different days and then log out. I just want to show you some all user I have created earlier. Here you can see the user had like completed 12 tasks. He has skipped 2, and similarly he has completed like 5 daily tasks. This is 12 because it's all task, like everyday task is counted here. This is like based on the if I had one push-up for like 5 days, it will be counted only once here, but it will be counted like 5 days. So if there is, let's see if they have any daily task. Yeah, there is some daily task and completed, uncompleted. No, weekly task, sorry. Uncompleted means like if the user didn't log into the system, it will automatically change it to complete incomplete status. So here you can see the gallery band. Let's check a long figure. Like here you can see it's changing. So it's like most of them are equal because the user has the same task overall this timing. Let's see. User. Now you can see like the difference here. You have 230 because user had may had like two tasks or something like that.